Ashur.
Good evening, everyone. This is group number 4, and our topic for the civil prototyping is bamboo ladder. Our group members are 202 David Jaiswal, 204 Pratham Shedau, 216 Sumit Sherge, and 220 Shubham Sattu Sagre. First, we see the introduction. For our final PPT submission of civil prototyping course of rapid prototyping model, we made the ladder. During this session, the knowledge of bamboo and product development using bamboo come handy. Uh, After applying various techniques and making use of various machines, we made the ladder. And then aim of project is to use bamboo in replacement of metal or plastic for driver and to create eco-friendly product. Objective of project is to approach towards eco-friendly products, to study about bamboo in construction like joints, members and its design. Problem statement is our team to try to increase approach of people towards eco-friendly products and support national bamboo mission. We want to reduce the use of plastic, so we have decided to create the bamboo ladder. Over to Devesh.
Good evening to all. I am David Jaiswal. I will talk about the advantages of the bamboo. So first advantages of the bamboo is it is eco-friendly. The environmentally eco-friendly features of bamboo are the main reason why bamboo used in kitchen utensils are become extremely popular. So the eco-conscious individuals, the bamboo is technically a grass, but can be cut without killing the plant. As it is the bamboo grows faster than any wood can be grown and harvested without the use of pesticides. So talking about the second advantages, it is very lightweight. Bamboo atoms are functional and comfortable to use. Bamboo can use in cooking equipments and utensils are perfect for picnics and travel, and because they are lightweight and 100% degradable. So third advantage is durable. Bamboo utensils are very extremely useful and durable. That it surprisingly strongly, but still light in weight. It can be used in for long lasting and much durable than wooden plastic ones. So fourth will be stain and odor resistance. Bamboo is a heat and stain and water resistant material. Bamboo products does not absorb odors and they are very easy to clean. Fifth will be the attractive appearance. Bamboo kitchens tools are add a fresh and natural touch to any kitchen. As they are naturally available, they would make a perfect gift for weddings and showers and housewarming. And sixth will be it is very affordable. Bamboo utensils are inexpensive and could be the right choice for the people who are in a tight budget. The second point will be the planning and the design for the making the bamboo. The activities done where we have formed the group of four members for this project. Discussion after that we have discussed the related project topic. Selection of the finalizing the project topic. After that, searching the information regarding the bamboo and all the regarding project. And then we have discussed the action plans with our mentor, who is Suryavanshi sir. And then we have done experimental study, and after that we have made the project writing and submission. So talking about the design of the project, we have started we have started design with a rough sketch of the outer frame on a paper and proper measurements, and then we selected five appropriate bamboo poles and cut them into the decided measurement, three horizontal measuring 81 inches and two vertical measuring 85 inches. Fish mouths were made 3 inches away from the both ends of the horizontal poles. Holes were drilled and very vertical holes of the sizes of the key. So the key were partially and firmly inserted into the horizontal poles, and remaining the key were inserted in the drill hole. So cutting of the bamboo as per a measurement. The bamboo of length 85 inches and the bamboo of length 81 inches were used. Preparing about the fish mouth, so we had to add strength to the joint. The top of the mouth of the column should be close to cut the node. Use as the diameter as a reference. So between the node and the end of the column, the draw a line around the surface, and the distance from the end of the column and the line should be same as that of radius as beam. So with the pencil, we have drawn an approximate shape of a fish's mouth and then cut it in the drilling machine. Then the curve out the mouth shape in upward motion working as a same direction in the bamboo fiber. So take the third and smaller piece of the bamboo. It will taken to tie between the column and the beam. So after drawing its diameter of the beam where the fish mouth will sit, taking the chisel, carve carve out to the hole. Slot the piece in it, and then we tied it with through the opposite column wall and drill the dowel. So after that, we have slipped the column over the smaller bamboo pieces to secure and the fish mount to the beam. Drill and dowel through the column and the small bamboo at opposite angles. In this way, we made the T-shaped bamboo with the help of fish mouth. Upcoming part will be explained by Shubham.
Good evening all. My name is Prathamesh Hedao. I will take the pre-test analysis point. In pre-test analysis, there are mainly three tests. Tensile. First is the tensile test on bamboo, in which the cross section of the test specimen at the three sections in a gog length were measured, and the mean cross section was considered for each test. Then the sample was fixed in the jaws of universal testing machine, in which the various grips supports were used for the test. And then we also extra extends meter with the dial gogs on either side was fixed to record the elongation at the loading intervals. Then a load was applied at minimum range with constant rate of loading. The load and the elongation reading at two gogs attached at extensometer were recorded. The mean value of extensometer readings was considered for plotting load elongation graphs. And then at the last, the maximum compressive stress then was calculated by this by using equation. After that, the second test is a compression test on bamboo, in which the compression strength was tested by universal testing machine. After that, the cross section of the test specimen at the three sections in a gog length were measured, and the mean cross section was considered for each test. The sample was fixed in the jaws of universal testing machine. The specimen was set at an initial load of not more than 1 kilo Newton, so that the center of the movable head was vertically above the center of the cross section of the specimen. The load was applied at a constant rate of 0.01 millimeter per second. The final reading of the maximum load was recorded when the specimen fell. After that, the last test is joint test on bamboo, the testing the fish mouth connection in tension. In which to test the capacity of the fish mouth when subjected to tension, the pulling out of the pin was analyzed. The pin in the T configuration is loaded when uplift forces caused the pin to move upward, including a point load at mid span of the pin. To ensure proper behavior in tension of the fish mouth joint, it is again important to locate the fish mouth on top or close to a node, typically 2 to 3 centimeter away, to utilize the node's load resisting capacity. The load displacement curve of the test, in which it is attempted to make the culm split due to a force perpendicular to the pin. This load displacement curve shows that in both samples the cross bolt started yielding before the cum failed. The test shows that tensile capacity will depend on the capacity of the pin rather than the capacity of the cum. From this, Shubham will explain the post-test analysis. Thank you.
Very good evening, all of you. Myself, Shubham Sapsage. So I will discuss cost analysis of ladder. So for this, I will share my screen. To discuss the cost analysis of ladder, we are here. Direct cost is there, then indirect cost is there. Then we are measuring total cost. First of all, I can explain the direct cost of our product. First one is cost of raw material. here our raw material is bamboo. So total bamboo used into rates per meter. This formula we have to use here. So total bamboo we are used here. Mainly 7 meter 2 bamboos used. Then 1 meter 6 bamboos are used. Then the rates per meter bamboo is 27 rupees. So total bamboo cost is 540 rupees. Then we considering second point is labor cost. So here the labors are skilled labor. So their rates are 500 per day. Our project only requires labor for approximately 1 day, 12 hours. So total labor cost of one member is equal to rate of skilled labor into number of working days. This formula we are here using. So skilled labor cost is equal to rate of skilled labor into number of working days. So by this formula, the total number of laborers are 1. So 500 rupees are there for a skilled labor cost. So total labor cost of all group members is equal to total labor cost of one member into how many participants in their group is multiplication. So 500 into 4 members, so total 2000 labor cost is there. Next is indirect cost. Here indirect cost is to explain the indirect cost, we are here giving hiring machine costs. So for job saw, the 25 rupees cost per day. Here we use job saw only 1 day. So here total cost is 25. Then handrail, we are using handrail here. The cost of per day of handrail is 15 rupees. So number of days is used 1. Total cost is 30. So grinder, the cost per day is 15 rupees. So here number of days used are 1. So total cost is 15 rupees. Chisel, total cost is 5 rupees per day and number of days used is 1. So total cost is 10. Then hammer, we are using here 1 hammer and then total cost is 20 rupees. And testing equipments, their cost is 500 and here we are using here 1 day. So total cost is 500. So total cost of indirect is 625 rupees. And then we are considering electricity cost. Approximately we are thinking 23 units will be consumed during production of truss with the cost of 1 unit is 9 rupees. So to find the total electricity cost, we are multiplying rupees 9 into 23 units. So total 207 are the electricity cost. Then engineer or we can say designer cost is, we here explained the fees of the engineer or designer are 2% of the total cost of project. So far the cost of the project is 2,500 rupees. So cost of engineer is 3,372 into 0.02. So total cost is 67 is there. So here we are analyzing the cost. Types of cost. First column is types of cost: direct, indirect. Material cost is 540 rupees and labor cost is 2,000 rupees. So indirect. Next one is indirect cost. Hiring of machine cost is 625. Then engineer or designer cost is 687. Then electricity cost is 207. So by considering all these points, total cost analysis is 4,059 rupees there.